Here are my Thomas and Friends Trackmaster collection, so please enjoy. Thomas, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Spencer, Hero, Caitlin, Harvey, Luke, Ben, or was it Bill or Ben? Oh, right. Ben, Gator, Diesel 10, Dennis, Dan, Duncan, Scarlowy, and Flynn. And here are my rolling stock: Clarabelle, Scruffy, Emily's coach, Emily's tender, a magic coal, bull red car, Scarlowy's blue 2 narrow gauge coaches, a red van, a green van, Caitlin's coach, and Luke's explosion van. And here are my road vehicles: Terence, Harold, Jack, Bulgy, Elizabeth, and Bulstrode. Here are my Thomas and Friends Trackmaster collection, so please thumbs up and please subscribe to our videos. Bye!